Good morning and welcome students. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So today's we will start our unit number 4, great events and great people, and chapter number 13, milestones in healthcare. Milestones in healthcare. So in this chapter we will read about some important inventions of the field of medication: thermometer, stethoscope, microscope, and other latest machines. Some milestones in a field of treatment: medicines, vaccination, surgery. Now the last one is healthcare. So before I'm going to start this chapter, basically beta I'm start with the one example. Let's your name is Anjana is going to the hospital to get a booster dose of tetanus, but she is not able to understand why she should go get an injection when she is not ill. So it is vaccine to prevent the diseases, her mother said. Let us know more about the vaccination and the healthcare. So beta, in this chapter, the history of diseases is not old as the evolution of men. Have you know about the diseases? Diseases means bimari. Okay, so evolution means growth and development. So beta, in the earlier time, medication was not so developed. As you know that now you are living in 21st century, you have a lot of treatment, you have lot of hospitals, medication, surgery is also there. But in the earlier time there is no medication developed. Mostly people used herbs. ठीक है, herbs basically beta it's a naturally medicine and naturally herbs they are using. Okay, diagnostic system was also not developed. Now we will discuss about the diagnose. What is that meaning of diagnose? Diagnose beta, before start the treatment, doctor used to diagnose each and every scenario. पहले अब जब when you are going to the doctor, you are not feeling well, so doctor क्या पूछता है आपसे, बेटा what you ate last night, आपने क्या खाया था last night. Okay, so अभी आप कैसा फील कर रहे हो, where is your pain, कहाँ है पेन, each and everything they has to. और फिर वो आपसे ब्लड चेक करता है, ठीक है, बहुत सारे टेस्ट लिखता है. देन आफ्टर द रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट टेस्ट दे कैन स्टार्ट द ट्रीटमेंट. तो उसी को कहते हैं डायग्नोस करना. ओके, सो इन द प्रीवियस टाइम डायग्नोस्टिक सिस्टम वॉज नॉट डेवलप्ड. दिस इज द रीजन वाई डिजीजेस लाइक कॉलरा and tuberculosis, which are cured easily today, took a toll on a life in a earlier times. Beta, in the earlier times डॉक्टर डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हुई है, बिकॉज मशीनरीज नहीं थी. सो बट नाउ आर टाइम इट्स अ वेरी डेवलप्ड इन अ मेडिकेशन. सो दिस इज़ द रीज़न कि अभी कॉलरा, ट्यूबरक्लोसिस इज द डिजीजेज नेम. सो डॉक्टर कैन क्योर ईजिली with the development of field of science and technology. Better method of medication come into being. Right now, have you seen that we are living in 21st century, so we have a lot of machineries, lot of medications to understand that, lot of technology to understand that what is the actually problem, yeah, actually diseases. We should be thankful to the scientists who contribute to field of medication is unforgettable. Unforgettable means making such a strong impression that you cannot forget it. जिसको आप कभी नहीं भूल सकते, that is a unforgettable. So let us learn about some important inventions. Invention means discoveries, right, and their inventors. So the first discovery, that is a thermometer. Have you heard this about word before? पहले सुना है आपने ये वर्ड थर्मोमीटर. वेयर? येस, व्हेन यू आर फीलिंग लो and you have a temperature in your body. So thermometer is a device that is used to measure the temperature of the human body. It is help to know whatever the person has fever or not. Have you checked ना, जब आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, डॉक्टर्स what have checked, डॉक्टर आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल, मुझे फीवर सा फील हो रहा है, सो दे यूज टू चेक द फर्स्टली thermometer. In the ancient time, some experts could measure the body temperature by the body and by the feeling of pulse. Have you seen it also कि डॉक्टर की in the earlier time doctors जब before the invention of thermometer, some people used to check their pulse. हाथ पकड़ के वो पल्स चेक करते थे and they understand that कि फीवर है या नहीं. सो बट इट डज नॉट गिव अ करेक्ट आइडिया. वो ये तो बता सकते थे कि इट इज़ अ फीवर और नॉट, बट दे डिड नॉट नो द एक्चुअल पॉइंट और एक्चुअल फीवर एंड करेक्ट आइडिया. सो द थर्मामीटर विच इज़ यूज टू मेजर बॉडी टेम्परेचर, इट्स कॉल्ड अ क्लिनिकल thermometer. It's called a clinical thermometer. See this? This is the clinical thermometer. Okay? Have you seen it also? So this is the clinical thermometer. And who invented the thermometer? Yes, Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. What is the name of this? His Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit in 1715 AD. In 1715 AD. Okay? Basically beta, a thermometer has two parts. Have you seen it? See this? Thermometer have two parts. A mercury filling bulb and the glass tube which is showing temperature. Have you seen in this picture? This is the mercury filling bulb and upper one is the glass tube which show the temperature. The temperature made it degree Celsius. Have you seen this? See, this part is called a degree Celsius or a degree Fahrenheit. Have you seen this? Listen this word Fahrenheit? Yes, by the name of Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. So we can measure our fever in degree Fahrenheit. The normal temperature of human body is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. और अगर हम उसी को डिग्री सेल्सियस में करेंगे तो दैट इज 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस. बेटा थर्मोमीटर इज अ टू टाइप्स, a clinical thermometer or a laboratory thermometer. So this is the clinical thermometer. जो क्लिनिक में यूज़ होता है दैट इज़ अ क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर. एंड द थर्मोमीटर विच इज़ यूज इन जो बड़ी बड़ी लेबॉर्ट्रीज में यूज़ होता है दैट इज़ अ लेबॉर्ट्रिकल थर्मोमीटर. So to measure the temperature of the bulb, part of the thermometer, it is kept in the mouth or under the armpit of a minute. Have you already experienced about it when you are going to the doctor? डॉक्टर क्या करता है, आपकी टंग के नीचे माउथ में रखता है या फिर आर्मपिट में फॉर अ मिनट. बिकॉज ऑफ हीट ऑफ द बॉडी द मर्करी एक्सपेंड इन द ग्लास ट्यूब एंड इट शो द एग्जैक्ट टेम्परेचर. नाउ अ डेज डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर इज ऑल्सो यूज. हैव यू सीन दिस डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर? So in your book there is also a digital thermometer. So nowadays digital thermometer also available. So now come to that a stethoscope. What is the stethoscope? See this picture. This is the stethoscope. Okay. A stethoscope is used to listen internal sound of human body. It is to what they are listening? Internal, अंदर की धड़कन को सुनने के लिए they are using a stethoscope. A doctor mostly uses to listen the sound of heart and lung to diagnose diseases. When you are feeling आपको breathing प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, आपको कफ हो रहा होता है, तो डॉक्टर सबसे पहले क्या करता है? what they say, वो डायग्नोस करता है कि आपसे कहता है सांस लो, ऐसे ब्रीथिंग अप एंड डाउन करो. Then after that they can give you a medicine. So it was invented by Dr. René Laennec. What is his name? René Laennec of France in 1860. There was a interesting story behind the invention of stethoscope. So what is the story? When the Dr. René saw two children on a playing roadside, they were sitting on a end of the long hollow log of wood. Okay, and they are whispering means low sound, धीरे धीरे फुसफुसा रहे थे. They have a long road, एक बहुत लंबा सा बांस लेके फुसफुसा रहे थे. एंड डॉक्टर रेने आस्क्ड व्हाट दे आर डूइंग. सो दे टोल्ड हिम दे वर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर. आपने भी किया होगा ना, एक बड़ा सा रॉड लेके एक ने अपने कान पे लगाया और एक ने अपने माउथ पे लगाया. सो दे कुड हेयर इवन लॉन्गेस्ट साउंड फ्रॉम द वन एंड टू द अनदर एंड. इट गेव एन आइडिया टू डॉक्टर रेने. He rolled a newspaper and placed in a one end on the chest of the patient and other side to hear his ear. He was surprised. They could not hear the heartbeat of patient clearly. They could hear the heartbeat of patient clearly. उनको patient की heartbeat बिल्कुल clear सुनाई देने लगी. So this experiment led to develop a stethoscope. Okay, since then many modification of has been improved its working. Nowadays you can see the every doctor carrying a stethoscope. Basically बेटा हमें देखा होगा जो डॉक्टर गले में ये stethoscope लगा के लिखता है, we already find that he is a doctor, he or she is a doctor. See the previous early stethoscope is like this only. ये पुराना stethoscope था. Now doctors are using these type of stethoscope. So you can read it very properly and do the define or keywords also in your notebook. Thank you so much, student.